Good morning, February 16th. Today, Advance Embrace opens the Power of the Word page. A warm meeting with ourselves. Message of the day. Every day gives me energy, good mood, and the desire to share joy. It's a wonderful state when your inner resources overflow. The perfect time for new accomplishments and for supporting those around you. Sharing joy is the best way to multiply it. Let's move into our morning bed practice. Get comfortable. Close your eyes. To feel complete relaxation, first tense your muscles for a few seconds and then release. Notice the gentle transition. Breathe with your belly, smooth and rhythmic. Scan your body from your toes to the crown of your head. Feel your calves, thighs, back and shoulder blades resting against the surface. Feel every relaxed muscle getting heavy. Let your arms lie naturally by your sides. the muscles of your shoulders, neck, and head. Release every facial muscle. Give them complete relaxation. Imagine yourself on the shore of a gentle ocean. The water touches your body softly, giving love and energy, while washing away tension, clearing fatigue, and tuning your inner tone to the calm rhythm of stillness. Let's give thanks for this beautiful, positive energy that flows through us, giving strength and inspiration. It moves each day forward. Thank your mind for its tireless work, processing information, drawing conclusions, applying logic. It is a powerful computer, constantly sending and receiving data, enabling to function and interact with the world. Enabling to function and interact with the world. Thank your soul, the source of inner strength, the voice that guides us, even when the mind gives up, for its spark of faith, intuition, and extraordinary abilities. Thank your body, the engine for health, movement, and functionality. Say to yourself, every day gives me energy, good mood, and the desire to share joy. Imagine these words filling you up, giving you the resource to support others. Let's enjoy this little paradise a bit longer and gently return to the day. May this flow of energy stay with you throughout the day, inspiring new projects that we often postpone. Share your joy. Give wings. Give wings to those around you. Your power of the word from Advent's embrace.